What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to leave a Discord server. You can do so from the Discord website, the mobile app, or even the desktop app, and that's what I'm using here. So here I have the desktop app open, the Discord app on my desktop, and I set up a server here, the test server. So if you want to leave, if you are a member of this server and you want to leave, just go to the server name here and click on the arrow pointing down next to it. And at the very bottom, you should see an option here to leave the server. It will be in red instead of the report read. Here, I don't have this option since I am the one who created this server. So you cannot leave a server that you created. You can delete it, but not from this here, not from this menu. But if you are a member of the server, not the creator, you should see here instead of report raid, you should see the option in red to leave this server.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.